Hello everyone. Today we are going to know about CS Cart accordion slider. With the help of this add-on, you can display a slideshow in a very beautiful manner on your storefront. It supports many themes and effects also. For the online demonstration regarding the product, you can go to our Webcool store and click on this demo button. And for the documentation regarding the same, please go through the user guide manual provided at the store. Let us now proceed towards the installation part of this add-on. This is my admin panel. Go to add-ons tab and click on manage add-ons. Click on this plus button to upload and install a new add-on. Now click on local and browse the zip file for the add-on. Now click on upload and install. Once your add-on is installed, you need to activate and customize its settings. Here you can view accordion slider has been installed. Let us change the status to active. And for customization of the settings, you can go to this settings drop down and click on settings. Here you can view various fields. The first one is width. Here you can enter the width for the slider as per your requirement. The width should be more than 300 pixels. Otherwise, if you keep it blank, then the accordion slider will automatically adjust the width of the slide. The next option is slide width. Here you can manage the slide width as per your requirement or as per the width set it over here. The next field is to set the slide speed. Here you can manage the slide moving time by entering the speed of the slide. The next field is first slide. Here you can set the slide number which you want to be viewed by default. If you want to view the third slide by default, then you can enter 3 over here. The next is pause on hover. If you want to pause on hover, then you can select yes, otherwise you can select no. The next option is for autoplay. If you want to activate the autoplay of the slider, you can enable it from here by selecting yes. If you do not want autoplay for the slider, you can select no from here. The next option is active on. Here you need to select the event to change the slide. If you click on the slide, then it will get activated, or if you keep the mouse over the slide will get activated. This depends only on your settings selected over here. The next option is theme. Here you can choose any of the themes present by default in this accordion slider add-on as per your design and website requirement. The next and last option is to choose the effects. You can choose any of the present effect for your slider. Once the settings are done, you need to click on this save button. Now under the website tab, you will be able to view an accordion tab present over here. Click on this. Now to create a new slide, you need to click on this plus button. And here you have to fill the information to create an accordion data or a slide. Here you can select the categories from your present categories, or you can select the product from the storefront, any of the product you want to show on the slide, or you can give a custom name over here. Let us give a name to be pre-order. The next one is to choose the accordion image. You can browse the accordion image from your local browser by clicking on this local and select the image. The next option is to choose the status for this accordion slide. You can choose any of the desired status present over here. The next one is to use title. You can select the title you want to use for your accordion slider. If you are giving a custom name, then you can choose custom as a title. The next option is to give an image caption. Here you can give the caption to the image. The next is to choose the caption status. If you want to activate the caption, you can select active, otherwise you can deactive the caption status. The next and last option is to enter the image link. Here you need to enter the link where the image clicking will be redirected. That is, if someone is clicking on the slide, then this will be redirected to the link present over here. Let us enter a link of our store like this. Once it is done, you need to click on this create button. If you want to make changes in this accordion slider, you can make changes as per your requirement, and once it is done, you can click on this save button. Here you will be able to view the accordion data list over here. To create a slideshow on your storefront, you need to at least add 2 accordion slides. Let us add one more slide over here. You can add as many slides as per your requirement. We need to add a slide in a similar way we added the last one. Again, choosing the image for the slide. You can choose the use title option. Here you can give image, caption status, choose to be active, and here you need to enter the image link. Click on create and click on save. Here you can view 2 slides have been added. You can add as many slides. Let us add 2 more slides in a similar manner. Here you can view we have added 4 accordion slides over here. Now to view this on the storefront in a slideshow, you need to set the layout for this accordion slider. Let us go to the designs tab and click on layout. Let us now create a new block on the home page for this accordion slider. Go to the home page and click on this plus button to add a new block. Click on add block. Now click create new block and select the template block from this present block over here. Give a name to the block and choose the template for your block to be accordion. Once it is done, you need to create the block. Here you can view that block has been created under the main content block. Now let us view at the front end how these sliders look like. This is my front end. This is how your slider will look like on your storefront. The slider will get automatically sliding phenomena like this, and you keep the mouse cursor on this and click on this. You can view the slide, and by clicking on this slide you will be redirected to the link which have been added at the back end on the image link. This is all about my CS Cart accordion slider. Thank you so much for watching.